Hello YouTuber, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepak. If you are YouTuber and if you are already earning money from YouTube, and if you want to learn something new about new earning source on YouTube, then this update is for you, because in this update I will tell you a new income source YouTube has updated to make more money for YouTube content creator. Because of some policies it was restricted, but because of this new feature a YouTuber can make more money, and the article on that thing is here. Get started with player for education. So if your content is for education purpose and it is being displayed in school or somewhere where advertise is prohibited, then your content can make money. And to apply for this, first you have to sign on your payment terms. So to do so, you have to go to on tab, and let me show you on the studio. So this is on tab, and then player for education, and here you can see it is saying YouTube player for education is an embedded player that provides educational specific features such as an ad-free experience to educational tools. It also offers a revenue source for participating creators whose content is viewed in the player. So basically, if your content is not able to make any earning on platform where it is ad-free platforms like a premium YouTube feature or a school, then this feature will help you to make more money. So here, let me turn it on and then accept. Now you can check your earning from this platform in analytics. Right now there is no any earning on my channel, but here you can see it is showing how your content is earning money for you in player for education. Currently I am in Australia and this feature got enabled for me. And let me know about you, where are you from, and whether this option is enabled for you or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.